Hey there everyone, Robert here. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know I'm quite partial to the feature releases that just help reduce a lot of time spent on the website, reduce a lot of the complexities and the monotonous labor of going through the website and making adjustments. I feel always the more time you can save, the more time you have to work on other projects, work on other aspects of a website, trying to get more clients. Anything that, again, reduces a lot of the necessities of the web design aspect, the better for me. But I also like this feature that was released recently because it deals with a topic that goes under discussed a lot of times beyond just color contrast, and that's website accessibility. And this feature is actually about the DOM order. If you're a little unfamiliar, DOM is how website readers will go through a website and find out like the hierarchy of the website, what goes where, and the order the elements go in. It's also useful if users have some difficulties navigating through a website by traditional means. It gives them the option to tap through and go through the elements and select and be able to click through elements. So I'm just going to jump right into the editor to showcase how to set up the reorganized DOM order. And what I do like about this is this feature is actually available to 100% of users right now. So as opposed to some of the other videos where sometimes it's a slow rollout, if you're already on Editor X right now, designing websites, you're building out some things, you can go ahead and use this feature right now. If you're not using Editor X, you can go ahead, check it out. It is free to use. And there's many templates on editorx.com, wireframes as well. You can always just start from a blank website and build out from there. That's kind of what I did here. And I picked a lot of elements that have elements side by side, like this learn more, contact us. All of these read more options are selectable buttons. This down here, the start now, these featured items. I added a form as well down here. So all of these normally you would be able to tap through. And if you were designing this on your own, you would normally need to make sure that the site hierarchy, things are ordered and layered correctly. So as users are tabbing through or screen readers are reading through the website, it's going, okay, well, this is above this, so this is first in the selection. So yeah, I'm just going to showcase this. I feel like it might be easily missed considering where it's placed, but once you set it up, it's super quick to do and you can just apply it on any of the pages that you're working on. So what we need to do is come into the Editor X platform. We come to the pages. We'll select the page that we're working on. And all we need to do then is in the more options, the 3 dots here, choose to reorganize DOM order. Again, it'll tell you it's automatically doing it based on the visual hierarchy. If elements are overlapping, you might need to correct those. But once elements aren't overlapping each other, that's it. You can see the pop-up was gone before I was able to talk. So let's publish this here. So I'm just gonna refresh. All right, and from here on out, I'm gonna tab through the page. So we can see it leads me first to home and then the menu. Those are higher up. Then learn more, contact us, read more, read more, read more, read more. It selects me the section first, then start now, then item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. This link that's down here for created on Editor X. The field form where I can put in my information. Again, normally you would select. I start typing, the checkbox, and then I can click the submit button. So that's the feature. Highly impressed with this, very nice, saves a lot of time. And again, this is very important also to keep this kind of stuff into account for users who might have a difficult time navigating through a website. So very, very happy with this feature. But yeah, thanks everyone.